Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will talk about Facebook restriction. So this is a quick one, okay? Currently, I am out of the country right now, just working from a different place, different setup, but my affiliate marketing business is still running in the background. So if you are facing Facebook restriction, then I have a solution for you. And the best part, no stress about Facebook restriction. No checking accounts every hour. No worrying about ads getting shut down overnight. None of that. But it wasn't always like this. Before, it was frustrating. Ad account got restricted. So I will show you that I have also several Facebook ad accounts that got restricted. Submitted a review and nothing happened. And I also have this they give me this identity confirmation that I need to record my video, like facing here, facing left, facing right, but still I cannot access to my ad account. Still no success. Just stuck. No clear answer and no real support. And if you are running affiliate marketing, especially in a competitive niche, this probably sounds familiar to you. That's when it started to become obvious. Facebook restriction isn't random. There's actually a reason behind it, and most people are missing it. In this video, I'm going to break down what's really causing these restrictions, why accounts keep getting flagged, and most importantly, how to fix it properly and avoid it moving forward. If you don't set things up properly, your ad account can get flagged even if you're doing nothing wrong. If you have tried running Facebook ads, you may have experienced things like your Facebook account get restricted, getting banned after creating a new profile, or your business manager being disabled out of nowhere. This happens to many beginners and it can be very frustrating. If you want to treat affiliate marketing as a real business, this is something very important that most courses don't explain clearly. Today, I will talk about why serious affiliate marketers use proxies not to break rules, but to protect and stabilize their business. Facebook's system monitors login location, devices, and unusual activity. So imagine this. You log in from different Wi-Fi networks. You travel, you use multiple accounts, or your team members access the same account. That alone can trigger security checks. So most beginners think, if my account gets restricted, Facebook is against me. But the truth is, Facebook is just protecting its platform. They want consistent, normal, and stable account behavior. This is where experienced marketers set up a more stable working environment. And those top 6 to 7 figure affiliate marketers who run consistent traffic using Facebook ads use tools like proxies to keep logins consistent and secure, especially when managing accounts remotely. If you are like me, I love to travel a lot. So I want to spend family time together traveling or working with teams. So in affiliate marketing, consistency is everything. If your ad account stops, your campaigns stop and your sales stop. So why do affiliate marketers use a proxy? A proxy is like a mask for your internet connection. It hides your real location and IP address and makes it look like you are logging in from one stable place. This is very helpful if you travel most of the time because your login location won't keep changing and getting flagged. Now, this is very important. Don't use free or low-quality proxies. They often get blocked by Facebook and can make things worse. So better quality ones, like residential proxies, look more natural and more real. I have several proxies that I created, some in the US and also in Singapore. So I've got more than 10 proxies ready here. So I can open different Facebook profile at the same time. So if I'll just click run, you can see here that I have several Facebook profiles that I opened. So I can visit my profile here without triggering Facebook security. So even if I travel to China or go back to the Philippines, I can still log in and manage my affiliate marketing business with a stable setup. My account activity stays consistent even when I am moving around. So you need to be smart marketers. Focus on stability, structure, and proper setup from the beginning. It's about maintaining a stable business foundation. I've been in business for years, built companies from the ground up, and now I work remotely doing affiliate marketing. One thing I've learned is this: treat this like a real business, not a quick side hustle. And focus on learning the right foundations, account stability, proper setup, and long-term thinking. That's what separates beginners from those who actually make this work. And for those who want the full step-by-step system, from setting things up the right way to running ads without constantly worrying about shutdowns. And if truly serious doing affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads, then I have this Udemy course called Affiliate Marketing Mastery. This is where you can earn passive income online. So here, I also included the full step-by-step process on setting up your affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads to drive traffic. So you will see here how to get your private proxy. This is the proxy part, how you can set it up step by step. You can also see here that I have a sneak peek. So if you click this preview, so you can get access here for free on how you can set up your affiliate marketing business. So I want you to check the description for that. I will just put the link below this video. And I hope to see you inside. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.